Welcome. I'm Ann Stewart. I think I know everybody. Days without food. I think somebody's common causes of sleep disruption, dispelling some common myths. How much sleep does somebody need? What is sleep hygiene? And then the shorter you sleep, the shorter your life. So basically, wakefulness is low-level brain damage. Brain basically spends the night going through these 90-minute rotations of non-REM to REM, and within non-REM it's going from 1 to 3 to 4. But you're losing 70% of your REM. And the same is true on the front end. If you go to bed 2 hours later, you're losing 20% of the quantity of sleep, but you're losing 70% of your deep non-REM sleep. Have to get up early to get the bus to get to school by 7:30. They miss out on 70% of their REM, and teen suicide rates in school systems that start at 7:30 a.m. are just unbelievably higher. Any screen time during the day has a negative impact on your sleep. The more blood sugar fluctuations you have, the more disrupted your sleep. So rather than losing fat on your diet, you're now losing what you want to hold on to. And that's simply from the effects of sleep on hormone regulation and digestion and all kinds of factors. Also, in what you have is a sleep hygiene diary for a week, just to kind of log, are you hitting the key things that help you have healthy sleep? One other thing I'll say about caffeine is that some people are what are called fast metabolizers and some are called slow metabolizers, but oncologists don't talk to patients about getting sleep. They talk a lot with each other about types of treatments and what works better, but sleep has such a huge impact. Same with cardiologists, huge impact on cardiovascular health. Your ability to balance sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system is way off. It does is it raises blood sugar and causes insulin resistance. So obviously risk of diabetes goes up as well. There's a lot more data coming out recently about sleep and Alzheimer's disease. So even after one night of 6 to 7 hours of sleep, the amount of beta amyloid and tau protein in a person's CSF, cerebrospinal fluid, increases significantly. Micro sleeps, which is where your eyelids kind of go half shut, and you think you're not fully asleep, your eyes are on the road, but you're really sleepy.
Now, interestingly,
yeah,
the Fitbit is an obstacle to healthy sleep.
Is there anything you can put against the wall or anything to block any of the negative stuff that might come from?
You mean EMF and things like that?
So there's, anyway, thank you guys. Thank you.